Hey, Nagini. You out checking things out? Where's your friends at? Hmm? Where's your friends at? Okay. Nagini's a good cat. Garden's slowly coming on. We got a bunch of plants growing in the house. I'll be showing you those here in a little bit. These are the turnip greens. Got big turnips underneath them. I've put odds and ends in here. Parsley. A little lettuce. That's a romaine lettuce there. That one's a little romaine lettuce. Got some of these turnips just didn't do very well. Feels solid. That top didn't do, I guess the top kind of died back from the cold. So I'll just go ahead and cover that back up. It'll come back around and do something. Like that one right there. I don't know that one's going to come on, do anything, so. And that one. I touch them, they feel a little mushy on top, so the cold probably got them. And that's a romaine lettuce. And this one, that little turnip there's already putting, looks like it wants to go to seed. It's already put little flowers up. And then those two right there, I'm guessing the cold weather got them kind of messed up the top, so they're not doing anything. And this was an onion. Not an onion anymore. Got peas growing across the little trellis. They're coming up the trellis. Some of them aren't doing very well, but others are. That cold weather really messed with us. The sweet potatoes I had sitting in the dirt are rotted. I'm guessing they just weren't in the dirt very well. When I originally put them out here, they were covered up, but the rains have settled all the compost and stuff. And there's potato tops coming up. I've got little potatoes in here. I think those are the red potatoes. See little potato tops coming up. There's some more right there. Yep. So little potato tops coming up. Over in this one, these are the a lot of places call them bunch onions, but as we use them in the kitchen, we only like take the top green part and use it, and then the bottom part that has the roots on it, we come out here and stick it in the dirt and just let them grow. So I stuck these in here yesterday, and they got rained on last night. We had a storm go through. So they'll sit in here in the moist soil, and they'll put their roots down, and then these tops will come up and do just like these. But what I've done is I've mixed up a little bit of Miracle-Gro. I didn't mix it up very strong. I used the directions for like indoor plants, but I'll just come out here and just kind of give each one of these a little drink of some Miracle-Gro, and just see how it helps them. Got a little plant down in there. Give that one a little Miracle-Gro there too. And a couple of them down in there. Oh, I might want to move some of those leaves. No, I'll just leave the leaves there. There's a little spinach right there that's not coming on very well. So I figure I'll just give him a drink of Miracle-Gro. Maybe that'll help him. And that one as well. Doesn't seem to be doing very well, so I'll give him a little drink of Miracle-Gro. Not much, just a little bit. And where's he at? That one there, I'll just go ahead and little spinach plant. Let's go ahead and give him a little taste. And there's one right there in the middle of those. You see him? I'll just go ahead and put a little bit right there. Maybe I can get that one going too. Oh, I see another one. There he is right there. So I'll give him a little drink as well. Not much, just a tad, just a little drink. And of course, over in this one, got some little kale plants. I don't know what happened to my kale, but I gotta, like that one's a tiny one, and give him a little drink of Miracle-Gro. Got a couple more in here. Go ahead and just give them a little sip. I'm thinking about it. There we go. A couple little tiny ones in there. The reason I do this is I just give them that little extra, make them a little happier. You know, that way maybe they'll come on and actually get their roots down in there far enough to get to the real soil. Maybe they'll find some good nutrients. Because I think this, what I have in here is mostly like mulch. It was listed as compost. But I did have some stuff under there, but I'm not quite sure. I don't remember exactly what I had under that one. But as I fill these out and get them planted, then, you know, hopefully everything will come on pretty good. I got to put another layer on top of this one, and then we'll be ready to put seed in this one and get the little seeds growing. This one over here, I've been adding all kinds of things that can compost. Of course, you can see we put a lot of organic material, just anything and everything that we've got that, you know, we, instead of just throwing it away, we bring it out here, throw it down in here. Periodically I'll come out here and I'll just look and see, you know, because sometimes you end up with stuff growing in your compost, you know, the stuff that, like, but say you use your romaine lettuce and you got that last bit left and you just bring it out here and throw it down. Well, it could go to root and start growing, you know, put its roots down. And if it does that, you know it's going to do well. So you'll want to just take it and scoot it over, you know, like over in there, you know, and have it just sit and grow. So anyway, I just come out here, look around, and I tell you, it was very nice going through the season where we didn't have a lot of bugs. I come out here now, and you know, every time I'm out here, bugs get all over my face. I want to get my eyes and my nose and my mouth, my ears. Yeah, when your bananas go bad, you just gotta chunk them. But don't throw them away. Bring them out here. Put them in the compost. Yeah, little buggies are all over them. And don't want grass growing in there, so get your grass out. throw it to the side. All right. I will be putting another layer or two on top of this after I just kind of fill it in with compostable organic material. And once we do that, then we'll be ready to take some of the plants that we've got inside and bring them out here. What are you doing, Nagini? You're on the outside of the fence now. What are you doing over there? Huh? Are you tempting the hawks? We've got hawks around here. Once in a while I'll hear one or see one. They don't generally go after the bigger cats, but they will the kittens. But right now we don't have any kittens around. The neighbors have some female cats that come around, friends of Little Puff and Mr. Bill. Mostly Little Puff, because Mr. Bill's an old grumpy cat, old grumpy man cat. Ain't that right, Nagini? Mr. Bill's an old grumpy man cat, huh? Okay. Where'd that come from? Yeah. Okay. Gotta collect all my trash and put it in the trash can. Yeah, all that I need to just throw in the trash can. So I've got water that kind of seeps down here. I need to figure out where that water's coming from. We've had a lot of rain, so it looks like it's coming from under the building, under the concrete. But we'll see. It's probably coming from the other side of the building and flowing under. Which isn't exactly good, because over time it'll create a little river where, well, not a little river, but a little tunnel where the water flows through. In this area out here, like where the kitty cat is, and all of this area has a lot of clover in it. But a few weeks back I had come out here and I had a couple of just little handfuls of kale seed. And I sprinkled them all in here. Then along that side of the little building and around the corner, I put spinach seed. Out here, well, out in this area, if you saw one of my other videos, you might have seen some of those pumpkins that were sitting around. The pumpkins didn't do well in the cold weather and just went to mush, and we put them over in the little 4x8 square that we're putting our compost stuff in. But I scooped out a lot of seeds, and we got a lot of those seeds stored up in the house. But then I took handfuls of them and just threw them all out in here. And, you know, for about a week afterwards, turkey were coming out here and browsing around and eating. So I think they might have been eating some of the pumpkin seeds, but that's okay. Because we had a whole lot of those things spread out here. And I'm hoping that, you know, if I get just a little bit of those pumpkin seeds to sprout out here and grow, we'll end up with a heck of a pumpkin patch. Over in this area down here, kind of like where my hand is, right around that little rock there, kind of here, I found over in the 4x8 square there, where there was some kitchen scraps that were brought out that had the orangey yellow and red bell pepper seeds from the bell peppers. So I took all those seeds and I spread them all out there around that rock. You know, like maybe 20-foot area this way and 20-foot area that way, just spread them all around. So if those things happen to take seed or take root, then we'll have a patch of orange and red bell peppers, hopefully. I spread those out here yesterday, and we had a really good rain overnight, So those things are probably all washed down, sitting down in little areas where they can be moist and just sit there and germinate. And hopefully we'll get them to sprout. So my garden is kind of spread out here and there, but eventually we'll get like little patches of peppers, little patches of kale and spinach and pumpkin patch, you know, our fruit trees and our vines that Joshua has been working on. And you know, things are coming on. It won't be long until we have everything going pretty good. I mean, in terms of the gardens, but we have a lot of other projects that we're working on as well. So if you find the time, come back, check out my other videos and see some of the different projects we're doing. And yeah, just let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. Because if you don't subscribe and click that little notification bell, then you may not know that I've posted new videos. But if you're interested and you would like to see my videos, just go ahead and do that. And ground's a little mushy out here. You hear it? Because we had a lot of rain last night. Listen. All right, talk to you later. Bye.